Welcome back. In this section, we'll discuss about resistance and its importance. In the last section, we have discussed about the support. So this time, we will discuss about how resistance works. Look at this. Initially, after an up move, okay, this is a good up move because it is forming an higher rise and higher low formation coming in at every upcoming candle. So now somehow this higher high, higher low up move gets stopped and no further upside move comes into play. This tells us even though this is a strong kind of up move with higher highs and higher low, straight away price is getting a pause or sellers are straight away coming into the auction. Now look at this. This is the first set of tight balanced auction which is getting played out. Remember one thing, when already the buyers are there who have pushed the price higher, and when price made a breakout, it is re-entering into the zone of earlier buyer who have pushed the price higher. So it is very obvious that these buyers will again come in to play. They will again come in and try to make a defend. Okay, because from the higher level, if sellers are defending, it is obvious that buyers, when price revisiting the buyer zone, they will again come in and try to defend. And look at this, once the breakout has taken place and price has entered into the buyer zone, market was again into a sideways balance. Now in the last session I would have told why market or why any stock goes into a balanced territory, because from higher level sellers and from lower levels buyers are coming into the auction, and either of anyone are so strong to push the price immediately towards downside or immediately towards upside. So in this case it was in a balanced mode. This is a 5-minute time frame chart. So once price again went up, remember this was the first balance zone and it is again going and revisiting the first balance zone where sellers came in. So again it is revisiting the sellers zone. Let me erase again. When price first time made a breakout and revisited the buyer zone, buyers have defended. Now it is pushing towards upside and revisiting this zone of balance where sellers stopped the earlier buyers upside move. Okay, so now what is happening? Already 1 2 3 attempts have been made, price has not crossed. So number 5 attempts have been done, still price has not crossed. No upside move has came in. Now again price came down. And look at this again in a balanced mode. Why it is getting balanced mode? Look at this, exactly in the same zone for the one more time price is getting balanced. Now you can ask me a question that why didn't buyer push the price higher again? Remember, this was the first attempt from the buyers to push the price higher. Already they have came in again and pushed the price higher. Okay, there is very less chance they will again come in, because the buyers who have pushed the price for the first time, they have came second time here, so their strength would have reduced. This will get confirmed when this balance has taken place and the breakout came in below this. Then it is clearly confirmed that these buyers who came in for the first time and for the second time, when they come in and defend for the third time, their strength will get reduced. And remember one thing, sellers are so strong, they are not letting the buyers even to cross this zone. We had a clue earlier itself that sellers are so strong, not allowing even the price to go towards upside. And when this breakout again taken place, the breakout from this point, price has breached this low, and look at the down move. Why this faster the down move? Because the buyers who have came in for the first time, the buyers who have came in for the second time, when they came in for the third time, they can't defend, and the sellers have won the race. Now those buyers who have taken a buy entry 1, 2 and 3 at three location, they have taken a buy trade. So once price go below their buying level, they are facing a loss. So to cover their losses, to complete this transaction, as they have taken a buy trade, they need to place a sale order and complete their transaction. Already price is coming down. If these buyers for the 1, 2 and 3 by 3 time the buyers attempt, if these buyers again come in and place the sale order, market will fall more. That is the reason this fall which you seeing right now came in very fast. Good. Clear. Now, where at what location retail traders, or we can say traders like us, get trapped without proper knowledge? One, look at this. This was the first attempt. Let's assume if we have missed this buy trade, we have not taken this up trade, and when price was in a sideways move and it came down, if you have taken a short side trade, again market reverse back, and market was in a sideways territory for next more than 1 to 1.5 hours. So at this point you are facing a loss. You are facing a loss, but remember, if you have taken a short side trade and placed a stop loss above any of this zone, your stop loss would have not got triggered and price would have came down. But most of the traders like us, what they do is, once already they have waited almost 1.5 to 2 hours, still price is trading at their selling price. They have shorted here, still price is trading at their selling price for more than 2 hours. So when price comes down, they will book their positions immediately. This is what most of the retail traders, when I say retail traders, we everyone are a retail traders. This is what retail trader do the mistake. But if you have made a clear analysis, which I have shared with you, this is a very basic kind of analysis. I am not even joining or adding a volume chart. If you would add a volume chart, more clarity. But in this topic, it is completely about resistance. If we come to after this video, after this session, you can even analyze like I am sharing with you right now. Balanced market, sellers from higher levels and the buyers from lower level coming in, up again rejection, sideways, and all the rejection coming in and price coming down. This is the third attempt, so buyers can't sustain because already first time and two attempts price and buyers have pushed the price higher, but no further upside follow through or no further upside move coming in. So third time when the breakout came and price break this low, these buyers are facing a loss. So once price started slowly coming down, they need to book their losses. Already they have taken a buy, so they need to sell it. So already price coming down, if they started selling it, more fall. Now you can ask me, where can we take our entries? Very simple. Already we know the buyers attempt, all the attempts have been failed. When this last balance move came in and price break, I can surely tell you this volume would have been very greater. Below this, you can take your short. I personally would have taken my short side trade and I would have placed stop loss above this. In the upcoming video, I will let you know how to set a target levels in the upcoming later videos, but just now focus on this. Okay, so